Hi everyone, welcome to Take My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete source history on Google Maps. So let's get started. First, open the Google Maps app on your device. Tap on the profile icon from the top right corner of your screen. Now tap on the settings option. Here, scroll down and search for the map history option. Once you find it, simply tap on it. Here you can see the delete option. Simply tap on it. From the options that appear, select delete all time option. Finally, tap on the delete option from the bottom right corner of your screen and delete source history on Google Maps. Somehow, if your source history is not deleted, simply try uninstalling and installing the app again. And this is how to delete your source history on Google Maps.
Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.